I'm John Woodward. What I want to talk to you about today is biodiversity surveys. An unusual word, a big word, but what does it really mean? Many local authorities in the UK require demolition contractors to carry out biodiversity surveys for all projects. A biodiversity survey means that we should consider the implications of our work on all living organisms, both on-site, adjacent to and surrounding site. Examples of this are nesting birds, bats, badger sets, protected wetlands, protected woodlands for example. But it just doesn't end there. We also need to consider how we will affect the humans who live close to the site. We need to consider ways for lorries to come to and from site to try and minimise when they pass, for example, schools. We need to consider if lorries need to wait outside the gates, whether or not they can do so with the engine switched off and the exhaust emissions reduced. It's essential that we, as demolition contractors, think about our neighbours at all times and ensure that the work that we carry out to clear the buildings to make way for the future do not adversely affect any living things or persons around our works. Think about the environment. Think about what you do that may affect others. Biodiversity. It's a word that will become part of the demolition language before you realise it.